Unlock the full potential of your GeForce graphics card and completely personalize your gaming and visual experience with the Nvidia Control Panel. First, locate and open the Nvidia Control Panel. You can usually find it by right-clicking on your desktop or searching for it in your Windows search bar. Double-click the icon to launch it. Once the control panel is open, let's explore the key areas for customization. Start by navigating to the Manage 3D Settings section here. You can customize global settings that apply to all your games and applications, or create program-specific profiles for more granular control. Inside Manage 3D Settings, switch to the Global Settings tab at the top to apply universal changes. Focus on the preferred graphics processor drop-down. This allows you to select which GPU takes the performance lead. This is especially useful if you are using a laptop. Below, you can also adjust settings like anisotropic filtering and anti-aliasing to change image quality. For customized per game or per application settings, hop over to the Program Settings tab, click the Add button. Then select the specific game or program from the list, or hit the Browse button and manually locate the executable X file if it is not on the list. After choosing the program, you can adjust settings tailored to that specific application's needs, ensuring optimal performance and visual fidelity. Head over to the Configure Surround PhysX tab for even more control. Here, you can set up multi-monitor configurations and adjust PhysX settings for better performance and realistic in-game physics effects. Finally, to fully optimize your display options, go to Adjust Desktop Color Settings and find your custom settings within each of the monitor displays. Experiment with these settings and discover what works best for you. Fine-tune the balance between performance and visual quality to create your perfect setup. Don't forget to save all of your changes when finished, and start enjoying the benefits of a tailored and tuned gaming experience. Thanks for watching.